Take a ride in the 2022 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, splash guards, front wheel independent suspension, traction control, brake assist. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.